Welcome back to my channel. This is Why Smart Online, where you get the best. Today we are asked to solve this question. If 4 tan theta equals 3, then what will 4 sin theta minus cos theta over 4 sin theta plus cos theta, what will it be? Yes, this is Why Smart, where we make complex question becomes a simplest solvable question. We have many ways of solving this question, but today we are going to look into two methods or two ways of solving this question. The first one, we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Then the second one, we are going to use the trigonometric method, and we're going to compare the two answers, and we're going to look at which one that is faster. There are many ways in which you can skin a cat, but let's look into these two. The first one is using the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem way. And in doing that, one thing you must know is about drawing the triangle, the right angle triangle, and knowing the angle in question, and also have this idea of this acronym SOHCAHTOA. We are going to use this to solve this question. So if this is my triangle, sorry about that, I'm not good at drawing, and this is the angle in question, and if I label my triangle, if this is a right angle triangle, if I label my triangle ABC, and I know that the longest side of my triangle is called hypotenuse, and the side that is facing this angle in question is called the opposite. Then the third one is called adjacent. If we are very familiar with this acronym SOHCAHTOA, it will be easier for us. Now, what we are talking about in question is tan theta, and tan theta is going to give us opposite over adjacent. And again, we should know that tan theta already been given from the question, that 4 tan theta equals 3. If 4 tan theta equals 3, in that way we can say that tan theta will equal 3 over 4. Now let us now relate the two together. Tan theta here equals 3 over 4, and tan theta here equals opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to relate them together. This will give 3 over 4. So what this is saying pertaining to the Pythagoras theorem is that the opposite here is 3 and adjacent here is 4. So we have to find the hypotenuse. Now, if we are to state the Pythagoras theorem, it states that the square of this hypotenuse, which is AC squared, is equal to, when we had the square of these two remaining sides together, it will equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So we have AB squared plus BC squared. This is a Pythagoras theorem, what it's talking about. So we have AB as 3, and we have BC as 4. That means we have AC squared to equal 3 squared plus 4 squared. And we know 3 squared will give 9, and 4 squared will give 16. This is AC squared. I am going to take this off. So if I take that off, what I have now is that AC squared equals 25. Equals 25. So AC will now be the square root of 25, which is going to give us 5. That means AC here, which is the hypotenuse, is going to give us 5. Why are we doing this? The reason we are doing this is that we are asked to find 4 sine theta minus cos theta, and we already have tan theta. We will be able to find sine theta and cos theta. So what will be our sine theta? Sine theta now, we want to find sine theta. We also want to find cos theta. So it is very, very easier for us using the SOHCAHTOA. So here means opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. And the opposite here is 3. If you are considering this angle, it's 3 divided by hypotenuse, which is 5. Good. And what will be our cos theta? Cos theta from here is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. And adjacent here from the triangle, from the right angle triangle here, is 4. And hypotenuse is 5. The reason we quickly look into getting the hypotenuse is that we know that it is very important from sine angle and the cosine angle. Without the hypotenuse, we won't be able to find this. So we have sine theta equals 3 over 5 and cos theta equals 4 over 5. We are almost done. Then we can then solve this. We say that 4 sine theta minus cos theta over 4 sine theta plus cos theta. It will be easier for us now that 4 into bracket sine theta, which is 3 over 5, minus cos theta, which is 4 over 5, divided by 4 into sine theta, which is 3 over 5, plus cos theta, which is 4 over 5. I'm going to take this off. So if we continue with that, that means we're going to have 4 times 3 divided by 5, which is 12 over 5. 12 over 5 minus 4 over 5 divided by 12 over 5 plus 4 over 5. And that is going to give us, because they have the same LCM, we can find the LCM, they have the same LCM, we just have to subtract 4 from 12. So 12 minus 4, we give 8 over 5, because the LCM of both of them is 5. Divided by, they have the same LCM, which is 5. 12 plus 4, which is 16. Now, there is another trick. There's another trick that you have to know about. If you have A divided by B, A divided by B, all divided by C over D. Why did I take this one as a longer one? It's just for you to be able to differentiate between this and this. So the meaning of this is that if this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. The meaning of this is that you say A, you can say it from your mouth, that A divided by B divided by C over D. This is what we have here. A over B divided by C over D. And this will give you, so far it is multiplication and division. The division can be changed into multiplication by inverting it, because we know that the inverse property of division is multiplication, and vice versa. So this one becomes A over B. This division becomes times D goes up, D over C. In that way, we can apply whatever we have here into this, and this one becomes 8 over 5. It becomes 8 over 5. So the D turns now to AD times 5 over 16. And 5 cancel 5, 8 cancel this to give us 1 over 2. So the answer to this is 1 over 2. Let's go into the second method. our second way of solving this. But before we go into that, if you have watched this video to this side and you see that this video is very helpful to you, please kindly subscribe to my channel. In that way, it will be easier for you to get notification when my videos are uploaded, and I will appreciate that. Just go into the subscribe button, just press on the subscribe button. I will appreciate that. Thank you very much. So let's go into the second one, the second method. I'm going to take this off real quick. So the second way of solving this is going to be using the trig identities. Also, you must be able to convert one trig into another before you will be confident of doing this. You should be confident of doing this by the time you know how you can convert from one identity to another. So that is what we're going to employ here. So we have 4 sine theta minus cos theta divided by 4 sine theta plus cos theta. Can we look at it in this way? If we divide through by sine theta, we can divide through by sine theta. We can also divide through by cos theta. But let's choose if we decide to divide through by sine theta. So this is the meaning. We have 4 sine theta divided by sine theta plus, so this one minus cos theta divided by sine theta over 4 sine theta over sine theta plus cos theta over sine theta. This is the meaning when you divide through. When you divide through means that you divide through everything you have in there. So why are we doing this? If you look at this, this becomes 4 because sine theta gives you 1. We have this as 4 minus cos theta over sine theta over 4 plus cos theta over sine theta. But mind you again that tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta. But we have cos theta over sine theta. And tan theta also equals 1 over cot theta. So it means that cot theta should equal to 1 over tan theta. And 1 over tan theta here, tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta. So 1 over tan theta we give cos theta divided by sine theta. That means that what we have here is going to give us cot theta. I'm going to take this off, but that is what we have. So in that way, this becomes 4 minus cot theta divided by 4 plus cot theta. Don't forget that we have 4 tan theta equals 3 from the question given to us. 4 tan theta equals 3. Therefore, tan theta will be 3 over 4. If tan theta equals 3 over 4, then cot theta will be 4 divided by 3. If you're on the same page with me, we should be able to grasp everything here. Tan theta, we have 4 tan theta equals 3. We divide both sides by 4, so we have tan theta equals 3 over 4. If tan theta equals 3 over 4, cot theta, which is the same thing as 1 over tan theta, will be 4 over 3. If that is 4 over 3, we can solve this. Therefore, we have 4 minus cot theta, which is 4 over 3, divided by 4 plus 4 over 3. Now, going forward, we can find the LCM, and the LCM on this one is 3. LCM on this one is 3, but there is a faster way of doing that. Multiply 3 times 4, which is 12, minus 4, which is 8, divided by 3. So we have this as 8 divided by 3. And this one also, 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 will give 12, plus 4, which is 16, divided by 3. So we have this one as 16 divided by 3. I'm going to rewrite that here. So we have 8 over 3 divided by 16 divided by 3. And based on the method we learned in the first method, this becomes 8 over 3 times 3 over 16, because this goes up and this comes down. So we have 3 cancels 3, 8 cancels 16. We have this as 1 over 2. So the answer here too is 1 over 2. That means the first method and the second method, they correlate together. That means you can use the first method, you can use the second method, and you can use any other method. I will appreciate that if any other method is solved in the comment section. I will appreciate that. But after all this, if you look at this video, you watch it and you enjoy it, and this is helpful to you, please don't forget to press the subscribe button. I will be very happy with that. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. See ya. Bye.